Hello, I'm Bradley McCalister, founder of Spiracraft, and I'd like to welcome you to the new Month of Woodworking Shows. Brand new format for us. Everything is virtual. Everybody gets to come. It's going to be a wonderful event. 4 weekends in a row, 2 days each weekend. I've been the woodturning educator for the Woodworking Shows for the last 10 years out on the road. This year, obviously, things are different. We're going to be virtual. I have been doing the virtual presentations for over 2 years now here in the Spiracraft studio. I do a weekly live stream. This is a walk in the park for me. I'm really looking forward to bringing you, I have 8 new seminars that I'm going to bring out for this event and special. 4 of the seminars are on wood turning, traditional wood turning that you see here, and 4 of the seminars are on resin turning, resin casting, resin turning, everything that goes with it. One of the unique features that I think you'll really enjoy with the seminars that I'm providing this year in this virtual format is that starting Sunday, March 14th, I'll bring 2 separate free sessions to help you follow up if any kind of questions you might have. Is there something you missed on Friday or Saturday? Jump in. We're going to be here for an hour for each different session, one for wood, one for resin. It's a little something extra that I like to provide. I think you'll find it really nice. Help you really get the best education that you can possibly get. So I'm really excited about this new virtual format. Month of Woodworking Shows. It's going to be fantastic. You're going to learn a ton. I'm really looking forward to this, and I hope you are too. Look forward to it, and we'll see you soon.